This is the KT62. It's a really interesting, dressy, Bluetooth calling capable smartwatch. You got a lot of different controls up here, your brightness and settings, find your phone information. You've got a really bright flashlight if you want to find your way around. Do not disturb. And of course, toggling Bluetooth on and off for making and receiving calls or playing music. Come over here, you get your step count information for the day, including each hour broken down and the last 7 days with an average. You've got your heart rate in here, 24-hour chart showing up, last night's sleep time and the last 7 days as well, a weather forecast in your area, remote music player, which is actually integrated to your phone to play music and adjust the volume, whatever you'd like to do. You've got all of your different activities as well in here. And all of these you can actually add or subtract or rearrange. Walking, running, hiking, and so forth are part of it. When you go up, you have notifications sent from your phone, and over to the left, you've got this little pull-out panel, shows you basic information and that we have audio tethering going on as well. Tap here, you got your phone calling information. You can use your voice assistant, Google or Siri. You've got the data and workouts, all of your different measurements, weather. Females, you got your cycle information. There's breath training, stopwatch, and timers. You got business cards and collection codes and Alipay and all of that stuff. It works in China, and an NFC card in here as well. It's really attractive. It's a very nice dress watch. It uses a charging dock. You have a round button here, and you have a pill button here, and you can program this bottom button to long press and do whatever you'd like. I've got it set for heart rate, actually. It's called the KT62. Check it out.